Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to control music from your Android lock screen. Okay, first of all, you can open your settings application on your Android phone. And then you're going to scroll down until you find the lock screen setting. Tap on the setting, and then we're going to tap on widgets. And if you want to control music from your Android lock screen, you have to activate the music widget on your Android lock screen. So we can click on this toggle button to activate it. Okay, and I'm going to play my music. So just click on this play button. Then just wait for a moment, guys. Okay, then I'm going to lock my screen. And I'm going to open it. Okay, and here we can control the music from our Android lock screen. Okay, and I'm just going to open my phone again. We can also control this music right here. And alright guys, that's how we can control music from Android lock screen. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.